All right. So, welcome everyone to the Integrated Digital Marketing Workshop. And today we are going to learn how to execute integrated digital marketing. So, I hope you can hear my audio and see my video clearly. Just type clear in the chat box if it is clear. All right, fantastic. So if anyone is getting distracted with the chat window, you can always go ahead and click on the chat icon or close the chat window. I would like to keep the chat window open so that I can continuously, get the feedback, so that there is some level of interaction that is going on here. So some people are saying that they are not able to hear the audio. So let me just update them. So nowadays there seems to be some audio issues with Zoom. So I think people might want to just leave the webinar and then leave the meeting and then join again. So I hope for pretty much everyone, the audio is clear and the audio is okay. All right. So before we get started, I would like to kind of get an idea about what are you doing exactly, and why are you here to learn integrated digital marketing? Go ahead and put it in the chat box about what is it that you are doing. Are you an online trainer? Are you an online business owner? So something that you can put it on the chat box so that I get an idea about the audience. So I see interns, online business, online trainer, online course trainer, working professional, digital marketer, freelancer, entrepreneur, filmmaker, business owner, student, professional digital marketer, working in sales, working as a digital marketer. Fantastic. So kind of gives me an idea about who the audience is here. And so this workshop is going to be until evening 6:30, and then we will do some Q&A sessions. And the purpose of this workshop is purely to provide value for you and to kind of teach what is involved in the process of integrated digital marketing and how I have developed this methodology for my own business, not just to do my own business, but to also go ahead and help other businesses with the same. So that's what we are going to have a look at today. So let me go ahead and open this mind map. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to cover all the details that is involved in integrated digital marketing from scratch. So let's go ahead and let's look at first what is integrated digital marketing. So integrated digital marketing is basically a way of combining all the parts of digital marketing in one framework. So a lot of here might have heard about SEO. A lot of people here might have heard about social media marketing. Second. Yeah. So a lot of people might have heard about social media marketing. A lot of people might have heard about SEO. A lot of people might have heard about email marketing, paid ads, and you might have heard about copywriting and conversion. So these are all different digital marketing frameworks. And one of the problems that I see in the entire digital marketing industry is that everybody is approaching this whole digital marketing stuff in an individual way. So a lot of people are not able to still hear. Okay, if you are not able to hear. So people who are using the Zoom app will not have a problem in hearing. People who are trying to log in from the browser might have problems with hearing. So because this is a meeting, not a webinar. So let me get back to the point. So the problem is that people approach the whole digital marketing thing from an individual standpoint. They go ahead and they think that email marketing has to be executed separately. They think that social media marketing has to be executed separately. Content marketing and SEO has to be executed separately. So the problem is that when these things are acting in silos, it is usually not efficient. A lot of people are into blogging, and they just do blogging and SEO, and they don't build an email list, and they don't sell a product. So they depend on display ads for their revenue. So when they depend on one second, when they depend on display ads for the revenue, what happens is that people are just basically renting out the attention that they are getting to their website, and it just becomes very low quality content. So a lot of newspaper publications, a lot of blogs, they try to increase the page views as much as possible, and because they are trying to increase the page views for their website, what happens is that they are not really concerned about the quality of the content they publish on their website, because more page views means more revenue from advertising, and more revenue from advertising is what they want to keep the business up and running. So that's where you see that the quality of the online publications has gone down a lot, right? Even if you look at very reputed publications like the Hindu newspaper, Economic Times, and if you go and look at their online websites nowadays, you will be able to see that the quality of the content that they publish has kind of come down, and every newspaper publication is trying to post this shocking news, news which basically kind of gets a lot of shares and things like that, right? So what happens is that this is the problem with the publications today, and I hope that you have observed that the online news publications which are monetizing via advertising have a low quality content out there. If you agree with this, go ahead and just type agree in the chat box. Amazing. So this is what happened. I think most of you here might have already kind of known about my journey. I got started with this whole blog called bikeadvice.in, where the only monetization method was display ads. And then there are people who just do email marketing. They are just trying to take a database, and then they try to go ahead and blast it to the entire email list and try to do some marketing. But if imagine if you are receiving a spam email, do you even respond to it? Do you actually click on it and actually go ahead and buy something from it? No, right? So again, people do email marketing separately, and then people do paid advertising separately, right? So what happens is that they go ahead and run Facebook ads and Google ads, and then they try to sell a product directly. So when they try to sell a product directly, what happens is that the product does not sell because the trust factor is not there. The trust is not built with the audience, and the paid ads directly does not work either. You have to go ahead and kind of build a brand and kind of create a integrated framework so that every part of digital marketing kind of starts feeding on each other. So that is integrated digital marketing. That's IDM, the way of combining all the parts of digital marketing into one single framework is what IDM is all about. So IDM is a trust building engine, and it's also not just a trust building engine, but build trust at scale. So I call this mass trust, and this is a term that I coined. Will you be able to go ahead and try to build trust on a massive scale, right? So that's mass trust, and let me go ahead and put it as mass trust, hashtag mass trust. So what we are trying to build is mass trust, right? And for people who are wondering, I will be sharing the recording of this workshop. I will also be sharing the mind map that I'm building here. And I'm kind of building it from scratch so that you can have an idea about the whole integrated digital marketing stuff in a very concrete way. All right. So I hope you kind of get the idea that to build an online business in this day and age, you need to build trust at scale, and for that, personal branding is very important. Personal branding is at the core of integrated digital marketing, because imagine that you are getting emails, or imagine you are going ahead and reading blogs. Would you like to read blogs from a company, or would you like to read blogs from a person? go ahead and put it in the chat box. I would like this workshop to be a little bit interactive, so that I also kind of get an idea about what you guys are thinking, right? So everybody is saying person. Uh, Usually, you trust a person, right? So which means that the person has to have a personal brand for himself. He has to position himself as an expert, and this person is going to build trust at scale, which is mass trust. So if you kind of want to remember that, just type hashtag mass trust on the chat box, hashtag mass trust, right? So that's what you need to build. You need to go ahead and build trust at scale, and that's what I call mass trust. So IDM, which is integrated digital marketing, is basically a tool to get to that stage. We are basically building the funnel, and the idea of building that brand is to have that trust built up, right? So if you have something to sell, so marketing is all about targeting and trust. There are only two areas to marketing. One is targeting and one is trust. So if you can target the right people, if you can go behind the right people, which is based on keywords, based on audiences, and then if you can build trust with them, do you think that they will have a problem going ahead and trusting you and making a transaction with you? No, right? So the underlying framework for integrated digital marketing is CATT: content, attention, trust, and transaction. So you build content, then you get attention, then you build the trust, and then you get them to transact. So CATT is another thing that you have to remember. You can put hashtag CATT, right? So this is what integrated digital marketing is all about. So what is IDM and why IDM? So we have covered the what and the why. So if you are a personal brand, if you have to go ahead and build a company, if you start with a good personal brand as an expert, it's going to help you build your company as well. Like for example, Elon Musk has a very good personal brand as a serial entrepreneur and as someone who cares for the environment, and he goes ahead and creates Tesla company. So a lot of people trust his company because of his personal brand, right? So I will just put it here: content, attention, trust, transaction. So this is the easiest way. So if you look at the way I do digital marketing, I go ahead and publish content. I publish blogs, and sometimes some of the paid ads that I do is also having content within them. So that's also content. So for example, if you do FB ads with long form copy, then that is also a form of content, right? So if you do paid ads for blog content, then that is also going to be, let's say, search ads for blog content. That is also going to be a way of getting attention into your audience, right? So you will eventually learn that instead of using paid advertising to try to go ahead and sell a product directly, if you use paid advertising to get people's attention using the content that you have, then you are going to build trust, and once you have that trust, you can build the transaction, right? So you can have the transaction with them. Let me just share the mind map again. So you are here and you paid 99 rupees for this workshop, and you kind of went ahead and did not hesitate to purchase because you probably had consumed my content already, and to some level you already have my trust, right? So let me go ahead and ask you this question. How many of you are attending my webinar for the first time ever? And this is the first time that you are purchasing a workshop from me. You have not attended my internship program. You have not purchased courses from me or anything of that sort before. If it is first time, just type first time in the chat box. All right, you can see that there are so many people who have gone ahead and purchased this particular workshop, which is a content from me, for the first time ever. I am, so surprised that there are so many people who are here for the first time, not my repeat audience, not my repeat customers, which means that you probably trusted me that this is going to be worth it. So in this case, I did not even have a proper video. I did not even go ahead and have a sales page for this. I just gave an InstaMojo link and I said that, hey, go ahead and attend this workshop. And you probably trusted me because even if it is just 99 rupees, it is still going to cost your time, right? You are going to spend 2 hours with me today evening, and you are paying your attention, spending your time, for which you could have done something else. And you probably gained trust from me because you were receiving emails from me. And because you were receiving emails from me, that content would have already built some trust, right? So let's go ahead and look at the components of integrated digital marketing. So this is where we have to kind of get into the techniques of it. So my volume kind of keeps going down in the system. So I'll just increase the volume again, but it kind of gets auto adjusted and it goes back down. All right. So what are the components of integrated digital marketing? The different components of integrated digital marketing are content, which lies at the center of everything. And, then you are going to have engagement, right? So content lies at the center of everything. How do you publish content? You go ahead and probably, publish blog posts where the content can be published. You can publish YouTube videos. You can publish guest posts from others' blogs. You can participate in groups. So social media posts. So social media posts could be, it could be LinkedIn, it could be Twitter, it could be Facebook groups, it could be Quora, it could be Instagram. All right. So people who are just joining late, nothing to worry. You will be getting the recording of this session and you will be getting this particular mind map as well. So this is where you go ahead and publish the content, right? So when you publish content, then you are attracting people into into your gambit. So how are you attracting people? There are two major ways of attracting people. So let's say attraction. You can attract people via search engines, which is the SEO part. You can attract people via paid advertising. So paid advertising has two types of advertising. One is inbound, which is search ads. And then you have outbound. And you also have social media. So through social media also, you kind of end up attracting people, right? So attraction is basically getting people's attention. So the content, is attracting people, and then you have to go ahead and engage people. You have to go ahead and engage people. So how do you engage people? You get people to subscribe to your email list. So people subscribe to your email list. So within your email list, you can give them. So everything I will kind of, go deep into it. I will explain you how it works. So first, let me lay out the framework. So people will subscribe to your email list. And once they subscribe to your email list, you can either do a drip marketing campaign. So I will explain inbound and outbound in a moment, or you can send broadcast emails. So in broadcast emails, what will you send? Drip marketing campaign is a set of value emails which keeps going over time. Right. So drip marketing campaign may you can have email content, you can have blog content, you can have YouTube videos you can link to, you can also share ebooks, and you can also share free courses. So this is engagement, right? Once people are coming into your entire platform, then you are engaging people. But what will happen is that if you're engaging people, automatically this content, which is top of the funnel content, which will also get, start spreading, because people will go ahead and, kind of like your content, kind of share it. And then the social media strategy kind of gets built automatically when you are engaging people, right? So you go ahead and create content. So in fact, when you look at action steps, it's create content, attract people to your content, and engage your audience, attract the audience to your content, engage people with hooks. So you are basically hooking people in. You are getting people to subscribe to your email list. In the broadcast emails, you can share webinars. You can say that there is a live webinar, so you can come and attend it. You can do online workshops like this I'm doing now. So once you are engaging people, what happens is that the trust starts getting built. And then you go ahead and convert convert your audience into customers. So that's how you are going to convert your audience into customers. How are you going to convert your audience into customers? You are going to use sales techniques. So what is involved in sales techniques? You will have sales webinars. Then you will have, let's say sales pages. You will have a referral program. So these are all going to be the different ways of selling people. This is basically conversions. This is basically sales, right? So once you complete this entire circle, your integrated digital marketing campaign is now built in such a way that it starts feeding on each other instead of working in silos. So I will show you how it works. So this tool is called MindNode for Mac. So MindNode is a good tool for creating mind maps. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and show you how the integrated digital marketing process flow works, right? So let me go ahead and share my screen from my blog. So long back, I had written this blog post about the integrated digital marketing campaign. So this is how integrated digital marketing works. So you basically have quality content at the center of everything, right? So quality content sits at the center of everything, and you start publishing content on your blogs, you start publishing content on your YouTube channel, social media channels, but you make sure that everything is linking back to your blog so that everything starts coming back to your blog, right? So here you can see that attract people to your content. Social media is also one way. You can get people to subscribe to your email list, but you can also engage people in a community, right? So once you have a community, like I have a Facebook group, you can go ahead and engage people in a community, answer their questions, and do free webinars. So once you do free webinars or something like that, you are engaging people. So let me go ahead and share that again with you. One moment. So this is the integrated digital marketing process. So quality content sits at the center of everything. And then you go ahead and build an email list out of your quality content, because let's say, people are visiting, okay, forget email list. So let's say you build your quality content, you have a blog where people are visiting your blog. What will happen is that, if people like the blog, they will go ahead and share the content on social media, true or not. Let's say you go ahead and visit a blog and you like the blog post. What would you do? Will you share the blog post on Twitter or Facebook or wherever? Yes. So what happens is that now you are sharing that blog post to someone else on your wall, and there will be a bunch of people who are your friends, who are people from your network. So they will go ahead and come back and visit the blog that you just shared. So let's say digitaldeepak.com. I have published a lot of blog posts. So what happens is that people visit my blog, they like my content, and they go ahead and share my blog on social media. So I would like to go ahead and share this particular link on the chat box. So you can go ahead and bookmark that link. And this is where the whole integrated digital marketing process flow is kind of explained. So this is how you get started. So you get started with social media. But what happens is that once you get your basics right, when it comes to WordPress, when it comes to SEO, and all that basics right, what will happen is that there will be signals sent from social media to the search engine. The search engine will pick up on the signals from social media. Let's say suddenly a blog post is getting a lot of shares on Twitter, then search engines cannot ignore it. Search engines will be like, hey, what is this? Let me go ahead and index it. Once you have quality content, which means that people will also spend more time reading your content, which is something that Google as a search engine can detect using analytics and using other tools. They can detect what is the quality of the users who are visiting your site and what is the behavior on your site. So what will happen is that search engines will start ranking your site. Search engine will start ranking your site more frequently, and they will start visiting your site more often. So I hope my audio is better now. I seem to have audio auto adjustment where it keeps going down, but I think it's better now. So This particular link, let me share on the chat box again for people who have missed it. So go and bookmark that link, right? So now, what happens is that even before you build backlinks, even before you go ahead and start doing some SEO activity, naturally, as long as your content is having some traction, as long as it is having some social media traction, as long as it is having some search engine traction, what will happen is that the traffic will start flowing from the search engines automatically if you optimize it for SEO. Well and good, but even if you don't highly optimize it for SEO, it is still going to get a lot of traffic. So now what you can do is that you can put an opt-in page on your blog. So how many of you have known about opt-in tools? So we have this tool called optinchat.com, which is I developed. We have a lot of other tools which will help you collect email IDs from your website visitors. So your visitors are visiting your website, and because visitors are visiting your website, they will be able to, like for example, you can start collecting name and email ID from this particular login. So you can use opt-in monster as well, which is another tool where you will be able to go ahead and collect email IDs from your blog. So basically the idea is that you start building the email list using quality content, and let's say you have 1,000 subscribers. What will happen if you have 1,000 subscribers? If you publish a brand new blog post, you can go ahead and send the link to that blog post to all your subscribers, which means that from your email list, traffic will start coming back to your blog content. So forget about paid ads, forget about sales. Even without ads and sales, this particular engine will start feeding on each other, where all the components of digital marketing starts working together in a way where it will be in a way that it starts complementing each other rather than trying to work in silos. So I will get into paid ads, I will get into sales, and I will also go ahead and show you how the integrated digital marketing engine for my brand, my Digital Deepak brand works, which will kind of give you a very good clarity on how this entire thing works, right? So yes guys, video recording of this workshop will be shared, the mind map will be shared as well. So people who are not clear, I will kind of show how my integrated digital marketing works, and then you will become clear. You can also read this blog post, watch this video again. But otherwise, I believe that until now, quality content, email list, search engine, and social media is clear. Just type clear in the chat box if you are clear. All right, fantastic. So everybody seems to be pretty clear on what I have been trying to tell. So now a lot of people, what they do is that they run ads, they run Facebook ads, they run Google ads, and what happens is that with Facebook ads and Google ads, they try to go ahead and try to sell their product directly. And when they try to sell their product directly, what will happen is that the trust is not built, and because the trust is not built, people click, they come to the sales page, but they don't buy. So have you ever seen an ad on Facebook, clicked on it, but hesitated to buy because you are not really trusting that person? Type yes in the chat box if you have experienced that. So basically what we are trying to do is that instead of trying to use advertising to drive traffic to sales directly, what we are basically doing is that we are going ahead and using ads to build an email list. All right, I will show you how I do that. So instead of trying to run ads to drive sales directly, you are basically running ads to build an email list, and then you are using ads to promote your content as well. So you go ahead and publish content, and you can promote that content on Facebook and on other advertising channels. Like for example, I have YouTube videos, and I run ads for the YouTube videos so that more people can come and watch my videos. And when more people go ahead and watch my videos, they get value from my content, and because they get value from my content, they are going to trust me, and then when we go ahead and drive sales, it is going to kind of help us with sales. So now I will go ahead and show you a live example of everything, how I do it. But before we do that, I would like to take a 2-minute break, get some water. And how many of you here have Twitter accounts? Just type me in the chat box if you have a Twitter account. All right, fantastic. So what I would like you to do is that go ahead and take a selfie or a photo on your phone, and go ahead and take a picture or a screenshot of this, and go ahead and put out a tweet. So go ahead and put out a tweet about you attending this workshop right now. My Twitter ID is at digital deepak, at digital dpak. I will put my Twitter ID at digital dpak. Put hashtag digital Deepak, and put hashtag mass trust, and go ahead and put out a tweet. If you want to do Instagram, then my ID is deepak.kanakaraju. All right. So go ahead and put out a tweet. I will keep my Twitter open so that you can see what are the tweets coming in as you are going ahead and tweeting. So go ahead and take a screenshot of this particular integrated digital marketing process flow and put it on Twitter. And let me grab a cup of water in the meantime. All right. So I already see some tweets coming in. Fantastic. So guys, go ahead and tweet, put at digital DPAK, and put hashtag mass trust. All right, so back to the session. If you have gone ahead and done the tweet or done the Instagram, just go ahead and type done in the chat box, and then we will get started with the session again. And let me go ahead and show you live examples of whatever is happening. So let me go ahead and see what's happening on Twitter. All right, so I see some really interesting tweets here. Fantastic, guys. I'm seeing more. Go ahead and do it. It'll hardly take 10 seconds. So we are looking at all the tweets that are coming in live. Fantastic. Hashtag mass trust. Super, guys. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for the shout out. So now let's get back to the session and let's look at how we can go ahead and actually see this in live action, right? So first, let me go ahead and show you the amount of content that I have published on my blog and what is the traffic that I'm getting to my blog. So for that, I need to go ahead and share my analytics. So you can see that this is my analytics. So right now we are here at my blog. Let's go ahead and have a look at the analytics section of my blog. So how many of you here know about Google Analytics, which is what we use to track how many visitors are coming to our website? Fantastic. All right. So a lot of people also don't know about analytics. So let me go ahead and give you a quick overview of what Google Analytics is. So Google Analytics is basically a tool which helps you track the amount of visitors who are coming to your website. So if I go into real time and if I go ahead and click on overview, then you will be able to see how many visitors are coming to my blog live. In fact, we can even do this exercise right now. Go ahead and visit digitaldeepak.com, and you will be able to see that the amount of live visitors on my blog suddenly starts increasing. So just go ahead and visit digitaldeepak.com. Let me reset the volume in the meantime. All right. I think now my volume would be a bit better. So here you can see that as people in this live webinar are visiting my blog, you can see that the number is going up. So right now it's 38. Guys, go ahead and visit digitaldeepak.com. So here you can see now it's becoming 52. So if I go ahead and look at what is the distribution in terms of locations, I will be able to click on locations and I will be able to see where the traffic is coming from. So right now we have 65 visitors from India. So here you can see Bangalore 9, Hyderabad 7, Chennai 6, Pune 6, Mumbai 5. Fantastic. So I am from Bangalore and looks like I have most followers from Bangalore itself. So we have 70 visitors live. Now we have more people visiting from Bangalore, and now we have 75 visitors live. So this is how analytics works. And if I go into audience, I will be able to see what is the daily amount of traffic that I'm getting to my blog. So here you can see that I'm getting 2,800 visitors, 2,600 visitors. This is per day traffic to my blog digitaldeepak.com, and very soon I should be able to scale this blog traffic to 10,000 visitors a day. So that's my goal for this particular blog. And you can see that what is the average session duration: 4 minutes. Bounce rate is 66%. 24,000 sessions, people visiting my blog, 12,000 new users, 16,000 total users, and 43,000 page views. And this is only in the past 1 week. So if I want to go ahead and check what is the amount of traffic that I've got in the past 30 days, I will go ahead and click on last 30 days. So a lot of people are asking, how do I register for analytics? Is it free? Yes, Google Analytics is a free tool that you can use for your website. So here you can see this is the past 30-day traffic. In the past 30 days, I have got 66,000 new users and 224,000 new page views. So this is the amount of traffic that I'm getting, and this I'm getting because I have been doing this particular, building this particular blog for almost 7 years now. So Priya, bounce rate need not be 42% or less. I don't know where you got the statistics from. Bounce rate should be as low as possible. So bounce rate means that people visit your website and within 10 seconds they exit the website. That means it's a bounce. And here you can see acquisition. Let's go ahead and look at what is the amount of traffic that I'm getting from search. So this is the SEO traffic, and you can see that almost 700 to 800 people every day visit my blog using the search engines. So that way you are able to see search, social media, and all the different sources of traffic. And if you go into behavior, you will be able to see that what are the pages that people are visiting the most. And in fact, one of the recent blog posts which has performed very well and a lot of people visited is this blog post called I am not Digital Deepak. So in fact, this is a blog post about personal branding. I will go ahead and share the link to that as well on the chat box. So you can see that, digitaldeepak.com/not digital Deepak. Maybe you can visit that blog, try to understand what I'm trying to tell there. So I'm basically talking about, ego by design and personal branding. So this is how analytics works. But there is also one more thing that we have to look at. It's called the Search Console. So Search Console is just for SEO, and it kind of helps us track what is the search performance of our website. So if I go into search results, you will be able to see that total clicks is 48.6K, 2.08 million impressions. So how many of you here want to learn how to set up your own WordPress blog and how to install analytics and how to configure search console so that you can see the search traffic in your blog? Type me in the chat box if you want to learn how. So if you want to learn how, you can go ahead, and I'm not going to say that, hey, go ahead and purchase my course. I'm just going to go ahead and refer you to my, I'm going to refer you to my, let me go ahead and refer you to my playlist, where I have created a playlist about, it's called High Traffic Blog. So High Traffic Blog is the project where I have gone ahead and explained how to start a blog from scratch and how to install WordPress, how to choose a domain name, how to go ahead and install analytics, how to install the search console and everything, right? So I'm going to share the link to the playlist on the chat box. I will also send this link to you on email. So let me just note it down. After this workshop, I will send you the mind map. I will send you the recording of the video. I will send you a link to my blog posts, which are important that you should read. And then I will send you the link to the high traffic blog project, which is the playlist on YouTube. All right. So this I will be sending out to you, and you can go ahead and have a look at all this so that you can have a very clear understanding. All these videos are free, and so far we have got like more than 10,000 views for this particular project. So this is the basic. So when I say that, hey, I go ahead and drive traffic to my blog directly. So what I do is that once I have built the content, then this is there on my blog and this is there on my YouTube channel. But then I also need to go ahead and get search traffic, right? So search traffic is something that you already saw. A lot of people visit my blog from the search engines, which is an attraction medium. But then I also have the social media handle, right? The social media handles that I have and the social media group that I have. So how many of you are already members of the Learn Digital Marketing group? Type me in the chat box if you are already member of the Learn Digital Marketing group. One second. Now you should be able to go ahead and put it in the chat box. Fantastic. So a lot of people are already part of the Learn Digital Marketing group. If you are not part of the Learn Digital Marketing group, go ahead and join this group. We have discussions about digital marketing a lot in this group. So here, what I do is that, let's say I have a brand new content that is being published. All right. So if I have a brand new content that is being published, I will go ahead and share it on social media, and other people will go ahead and share it themselves, right? So I can share it on the group, but I can also share it on my Facebook page. So let's go ahead and see what I can do by sharing it on my Facebook page. And let's do a live experiment here. So let's say I am talking about integrated digital marketing here, right? So I will just go and say learn integrated digital marketing. And I would share this blog post on my Facebook page. And then I would go ahead and click on post. So here we don't have a share image already configured. So we are not getting the right share image. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and share some other blog post from my blog. So let's say this is a recent blog post that I published, Paradox of Hard Work. So let me go ahead and refresh the page. So this particular thing is a Facebook page, but I also have a Facebook group. All right. So this is a Facebook page. And once we share something on the Facebook page, people can reshare it and people will also visit. And if people like it, they will go ahead and share it. And that is how the social media strategy works, right? So the paradox of hard work. So I will share the link to this particular permalink on the chat box right now, and go ahead and visit it. Not necessary that you should share it, but if you want to share it, you can share. I just want to show other people here on the webinar on how the entire process works, right? So once the social media traffic increases, then it kind of sets off a chain reaction. So let me go and refresh this page so that I can get the permalink. And once you go ahead and have a Facebook post, you can go ahead and share that permalink wherever you want, and people will look at that permalink and then they can go ahead and share it themselves as well. So if I click on the time link, this is where the permalink comes from. So if I remove this, this is the permalink. So I will share this permalink on the chat box, and you go ahead and uh, share it on your wall if you want. If you don't want, it's fine. But let's just look at how many people go ahead and share it right now. And I will also go ahead and share this on my Telegram group. So I've shared it on my Telegram group as well. And let's look at what is the activity on this particular post. So let's see if a few shares are coming in. So I see one share that has come in. Guys, just take a minute and go ahead and share it on your wall. and let's see how many shares are coming in. All right, so we are already having 3 shares and we are having 6 likes, right? So this is how the entire social media traction starts happening. So basically, from search engine, now we are getting to social media. But when I am running paid advertising, what I will do is that instead of boosting my products directly, I will go ahead and run a Facebook ad, which will promote my content directly, right? So people kind of get to know more about my content. So do you want me to show you how to quickly run a Facebook ad? Type yes in the chat box if you want me to show you how to run a Facebook ad for this particular post. Fantastic. All right. So in my Facebook ads mastery course, I have kind of explained in detail how to run different types of campaigns. But basically, I will show you a simple traffic campaign that how you can go ahead and drive traffic to your blog. So what I will do is that I will go to Facebook ads. So I want to show you a little bit of how the Facebook ads works. So people who have questions, wait for it. I will be answering all your questions in the Q&A session. So here, so guys, please increase volume at your end as much as possible because my volume keeps getting adjusted even if I increase. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and click on traffic, and I will go ahead and put it for FB post. So I will click on continue. And basically I'm driving traffic to your website. So here there is something called custom audiences, which is an advanced topic, which is beyond the scope of this webinar or the workshop to explain. So what I will do is that I will select India and put a daily budget of maybe $5 per day. No, that's not it. So here I will put a daily budget of $5, and then I will go ahead and click on continue. So here what I will do is that I will say that I want to promote an existing post. So I don't use this boost post functionality because this kind of gives me a little bit more control over this. And you can see that there are 10 shares, 22 likes and 3 comments in this post already. So now let me go ahead and click on continue. And you can see that this is the ad that has come up. It is already having some social traction to it. Now I will go ahead and click on confirm. And as soon as I click on confirm, what will happen is that every day $5 will be sent on this particular ad campaign. So what I'm doing here is that I'm trying to get people to build trust, obviously. So if I'm selling a Facebook ads course, what I will do is that I will drive traffic to a Facebook ads blog post, and I will try to build my credibility there. So that's how the entire funnel works, right? So if I'm going to go ahead and try to sell digital let's say SEO course, then I would write a blog post and I would drive traffic to that blog post as much as possible, so that first people visit my blog post, they are pleasantly surprised by the amount of value that I'm delivering in the blog post. They like my blog post, and then eventually I will go ahead and convert. So when I am trying to convert people, I usually try to convert people using my email list. And you can see that this is my email list, and there are 283 subscribers on my email list so far. And what happens is that whenever I go ahead and send a broadcast email to my entire email list, I get a very good response. So here, let's see. I recently published a video on how anyone can make 1 crore per month via digital marketing. And this particular video got 5,418 clicks. So the basic idea is that how many of you have watched that video? How to make 1 crore per month with digital marketing? So just type some feedback on the chat box so that others can also watch it. So let me go ahead and show you my YouTube channel. So because now I started with content, then I went ahead and started having some search traffic. Then I went and started having some social media traction. And then I built an email list. So now I'm kind of able to circulate this within this thing. Then I'm doing paid traffic. So paid traffic, so far I have shown you how I can drive paid traffic to content directly, right? So I can drive paid traffic to content directly, but I can also drive paid traffic to my email list and build my email list directly instead of depending on my content. So if I go ahead and show you my library, and which is the recent post, let me go ahead and look at. So please don't judge me looking at my watch history. All right. So here you can see, this particular video, which is how to make 1 crore per month via digital marketing. So this is also I will send you. So 1 crore video, I will send you on the email. And here you can see that this particular video has got 8,000 views, 97% have liked the video, and we have already got 52 comments. And this amount of traffic I have got for my video, hey guys, because I was able to go ahead and I was able to go ahead and send it to my email list and ask people to visit my blog, right? So that's how it works. So going back, what I can do is that now I can take this video and I can again put it on my social media handle as well, right? So I can go ahead and put it on my social media handle. So basically now you got an idea, right? How all these things start feeding each other, and I'm able to kind of have developed such a big audience for myself by building my personal brand, by doing digital marketing, because I focused on this entire integrated digital marketing aspect. So I hope now you are kind of getting a clear idea about what integrated digital marketing is. So here I can just say how to earn 1 crore per month via digital marketing. All right, so now I will go ahead and click on post. And now see, this is another channel where I can go ahead and share this. I also have a Telegram channel. So when I say email list doesn't necessarily mean that it is only an email list. So let me go ahead and share the mind map again. So engage people. We can get people to subscribe to your email list, or any method of followership, right? Anywhere that they can follow. They can follow you on a community, which could be a Facebook group. They can follow you on Telegram. So basically, engaging people with hook is that you are getting hooked them in. Like for example, if you visit my blog and you leave, then you are never going to visit my blog again. However, if you are going to visit my blog, subscribe to my email list, you can also include retargeting in this. So you can also include retargeting, because once people visit your website, they are getting pixeled. And once they are getting pixeled, they go back to Facebook and they start seeing your ads, right? So that way you can also retarget people. You can use Telegram, you can use community. Do you think there are any other way to get people into your hook? Any other followership? You can do phone, where you can do SMS marketing. You might be able to do WhatsApp groups. So WhatsApp groups are kind of limited. Yes, Instagram. So people follow you on Instagram, and they keep following you. Then you have LinkedIn. So social media kind of works in both the ways. It also helps you attract the audience. It also helps you publish the content, but it also helps you engage people on all these platforms, right? So you can also do messenger marketing. So so that's about it, right? So here you are basically engaging people back into your content, and because you are engaging people back into your content, there is some trust being built, and slowly your personal brand gets built. Your personal brand kind of gets well known and well known, and the more your personal brand gets well known, the better you will be able to go ahead and have a lot of traction when it comes to your personal brand. So give me just one moment while I drink a cup of water, and in the meantime, just let me know, how do you feel? What do you feel about the workshop so far? Don't just type one word. Maybe type a little bit. What do you think about the workshop so far? All right, fantastic. Quite informative, quite fast. Some people are feeling that it's quite fast. A lot of people are feeling that it's informative. We will get to the Q&A session. So a lot of people, FB ads is not clear. You might want to check out my FB ads mastery course to get clarity. And see, integrated digital marketing is a concept that I can create an entire course on it, right? And you probably need to go ahead and try to go learn all the parts of the marketing process to kind of get a very clear idea about it. But for 99 rupees and within a span of 1.5 hours, this is the maximum that I can transfer, right? And some people are feeling that this might be a basic session, but most of the people are already feeling that it's very fast, which means that I might need to go even slow, right? So let's go ahead and have a look at sales. So how do I generate sales, which is the last part of the equation. So for sales, I do two things. One is I do sales pages. So I have digital marketing mastery.in, where I am selling my digital marketing mastery bundle. So here you will be able to see that I am selling all the courses, which is SEO course, Google Ads course, Facebook Ads course, email marketing course, social media course, analytics course, all these courses separately. And I have kind of I have kind of created like a bundle of this. And here is where the conversions comes. And once the conversion starts coming, I also showed you that I am starting to build an email list, right? So when I build my email list, so Syed is asking, am I trying to promote myself through this workshop? No, Syed, I'm just showing you how I am executing integrated digital marketing for my own brand. And so Kishore is asking, can we get mastery bundle with any discount? We will look into it. All right. So now let's look at how I build my email list. So what I do is that I use two major traffic sources to build my email list. One is the landing page, and then the landing page kind of grasps all the email list. And next is the blog, where I keep getting opt-ins, right? So here, what basically happens is that I go ahead and run Facebook ads and run Google ads for the entire email list building. And once the email list starts building, then I am basically putting people on an email marketing sequence. So an email marketing sequence is basically a drip marketing sequence. So I will also send you the link to article about drip marketing. So how many of you have heard about drip marketing? Type me in the chat box if you have heard about drip marketing. All right, fantastic. So some people are saying yes, many people are saying no. So basically, drip marketing means that people go ahead and join your email list, and without having to do anything, you are continuously sending them emails, and you are going ahead and giving value to them through the emails. So for example, let's say Facebook ads mastery students. If I go into reports, people who join my Facebook ads mastery course continuously start getting emails over time without me having to do anything. So there is one email sent every day, and you can see that there is open rate 66%, 38%, 34%, which means that I'm constantly communicating with these people, and I'm going ahead and getting people to engage. And this email marketing, so Bimal is asking, can we rely on email marketing completely? Yes, my entire business is built on the foundation of email marketing. And there is no acronym of drip. Drip marketing basically is like drip irrigation, where over time you are communicating a set of messages to your audience over time. And because you are communicating a set of messages to your audience over time, your audience kind of gets builds trust with you. And MailChimp is also a drip marketing tool, and you will be able to see that there are GetResponse, Aweber, and there are so many other tools which are helping you do the marketing automation. And so a lot of people are asking, uh, will we get a certificate for this workshop? Do you need a certificate for this workshop? Just type yes in the chat box. if you need a certificate for this workshop. So a lot of people are saying yes, other people are saying no. For people who want a certificate, I will send you a mail, and you will be able to generate a certificate by entering your name and email ID there. So not a problem. All right, so this is how the entire drip marketing process works. And because the drip marketing process is there, what I can do is that I can set up multiple sales pages, and I can go ahead and set up multiple sequences. And with these multiple sequences, what happens is that the sales keeps happening, keeps happening without me having to do anything. So I can also show you other drip sequences I have. So for example, I have this thing called digital marketing tools customers, and whoever purchases my digital marketing tools mastery course, they are going to go ahead and get emails about different digital marketing tools, which is on sequence. All right, so here you can see that all my courses are published on my learning management system. All right, so Abhilash, I will get you the personal branding workshop course certificate as well, nothing to worry. So here you will be able to see that within the admin section, I can go ahead and host my courses, and within the courses, people will come and learn. So by doing this whole integrated digital marketing process, I have been able to get more than 1 lakh students on my learning management system. So here you can see I have just crossed 1 lakh students on Teachable. Isn't this amazing? Just type wow in the chat box if you are thinking that this is amazing. So even I am surprised. I have just crossed 1 lakh students. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give you a reward right now. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to give you one of the courses that I have for free, which is Digital Marketing Tools Mastery. Normally, the cost of this course is 999 rupees. And I will give this particular product to you for free. So basically what I need to do is that I need to create a discount code. So there might be people who already have this course. So I will just put May 18th as the discount code and add the code and just share this link on the chat box. Go ahead and claim it right now. I will just share the link. So I've shared the link in the chat box, and go ahead and claim this particular course right away. So this is also something I will send it to you on email. So let's look at how many people are claiming this course. So this is also one lead magnet that I run, and you can see that already 3 people have claimed this course. Like click refresh again. And already 13 people have claimed this course for free, which is amazing. All right, 30 people have claimed this. That was fast. So this particular course will have within my learning management system all the different tools that I use for my business. I am planning to publish 100 different tools for this particular course. And you can see that this is Digital Marketing Tools Mastery. And these are the different lessons that are available. So all the different digital marketing tools. A lot of people are asking, what is the mind mapping tool that I use? So that mind mapping tool is called MindNode. You can see that there is Instapage, Zapier, Unbound. So all these different tools are being shared for free. Active Campaign, ConvertKit. I have also explained all the different SEO tools, analytics tools. So all this you will be able to learn, and you can probably go ahead and learn one tool per day. So just type one tool per day, 1 TPD. Maybe you can just type 1 TPD if you are committing to learn at least one tool per day, so that you can kind of get a good understanding about how to use all the different digital marketing tools that are available in the market. All right, so this is how the entire integrated digital marketing process flow works. So let me just increase my audio again. This particular course access that you have, it is not time bound. You will have lifetime access to this course, and as I keep adding more and more. All right, so let me just switch off my video. There might be a slight internet issue at my end. Is my audio clear now? Just type clear in the chat box if my audio is clear. Okay, I think my audio should be clear now, guys. Is it clear? So Ravi, the best way to the best way to contact my team is to mail support@pixeltrack.com. So that is our support email ID. So I will just keep the video switched off for a while so that the audio is clear. All right. So guys, this is how the entire integrated digital marketing process flow works, and this is how I implement digital integrated digital marketing for my business. So let me go ahead and share the mind map again. So this is what you have in the entire integrated digital marketing process flow. And then you are having this whole conversion engine where you are making revenue. And once you make revenue, you can take that revenue and put it back into content creation. And you can take that revenue and put it back into, you can put it back into paid advertising. But when you are running paid advertising, you need to make sure that, you are getting an ROI on the entire paid advertising budget. So that is very important. All right, so how many of you have found this workshop useful so far? Just type useful in the chat box if you have found this workshop useful so far, and it gave you some clarity, I believe. So apart from just getting one line, one word useful from you, what I would like to do is that I would like to go ahead and ask your feedback on the Facebook group. So let me go ahead and ask it on the Facebook group so that I am able to record all your feedback. So what do you think about the integrated digital marketing online workshop? So what I will do is that I will go ahead and share this link on the chat box, share the perma link of this. And I would like to have your feedback here, but don't just put a single word feedback. At least write one sentence about what you learned today from this workshop, and then we will get into the Q&A session. So I've shared the link on the chat box with you. Go ahead and copy paste that link on the browser, or if you are able to click on it, click on it. And I would like to get your feedback on what you think about the integrated digital marketing workshop. And you can actually go ahead and type what did you learn today. You can go ahead and kind of let me know what you learned today. What was the insight that you got? And let me see what is the feedback coming in for today's workshop, and then we will get into the Q&A session. So Fani Vijay is saying shattered myths about digital marketing. Deepak, thank you. IDM is the best way to generate engagement. Deepak is saying Satish Pandey came to know about not only what useful, but it was a bit fast. Moreover, need to get more clarity on it. Definitely. Huge possibilities of integrated digital marketing online. Yes. All right. So a lot of people feel that it's a little bit fast. I understand that, but I wanted to cover all the concepts within 2 hours. Dharmender is saying it was a superb session, which gave me a lot of clarity on how the integrate process for my program. It was a very structured approach to digital marketing as a whole. Devyansh learned how drip marketing works. Srilata is saying very nice and informative. Ananta is saying it goods and helps me a lot. Manish, thank you. Dev, thank you. Rajendra, thank you. Within a short span of time, whatever you have explained is great. What are impressions in DM? Satish, you can just Google it. It's a simple concept. Whenever there is a page load, it's called an impression. So Prakash is saying workshop was really nice. It was totally compact and useful as the workshop helped in giving knowledge about IDM. Thanks, sir. Kalyani is saying it was very useful. Learned a lot about IDM. Very good explanation about integrated digital marketing. Fantastic, guys. Thanks a lot for your feedback. This is, this kind of feedback is what helps me go ahead and keep putting efforts into doing webinars like this and, create value. So thanks for TM tools given. So I hope, it was worth 99 rupees. Yes. Just type yes in the chat box if you think that it was worth 99 rupees. And I just wanted to charge 99 rupees for this workshop so that only serious people come into the program. It's not like sometimes when people attend the program for free, they are not really valuing the entire session, right? So if you have not put your feedback, go ahead and put your feedback. So integrated digital marketing is a vast ocean. We need a fully phased course from you. Still, whatever you have explained is gold. So let's do integrated digital marketing mastery course. What do you think, guys? I think I should launch a new course called integrated digital marketing mastery. So a lot of people are saying priceless workshop for a very informative. Creating content and distribution is important. Thanks for the DM tools given. Fantastic. So yeah, for people who are already part of my internship program, they might have kind of an idea about what's going on. All right, more than 55 comments already. Thanks a lot. All right, so before we get into the Q&A session, I would like to take 5 minutes to tell you about my digital marketing mastery program. Would you be interested in learning about it? Is it okay if I explain 5 minutes about it? Type yes in the chat box if you're interested. All right, so since pretty much everyone is saying interested, I will go ahead and tell you what my digital marketing mastery program is about. So my digital marketing mastery program is, you know, uh, 1 second. So this particular, digital marketing mastery program is a collection of 11 different courses that I have, and all the 11 different courses are individually developed. So we have developed this course called SEO Mastery course, Google Ads Mastery course, Facebook Ads Mastery course, email marketing course, uh, social media mastery, analytics mastery, affiliate marketing mastery, content marketing masteries, APR mastery, and basically we have created a bundle which is 4,999. And then we have the 100-day blogging course and product launch mastery as well. So all of it combined together is going to be 5,999 for all the courses together. So this is the bundle that I usually sell. But today, for the people who are here on this workshop, I would like to give you an offer where you will be able to learn all these courses at a much higher discount. And whenever you go ahead and purchase this, you are getting access to this particular learning management system where all my courses are hosted. And within this learning management system, you will be able to get lifetime access to this particular learning management system where you will get all the lessons hosted, and you will also be able to go ahead and get updates. So in like for example, if I'm creating a new video in the future, I will go ahead and update it in the learning management system, right? So digital marketing internship program is a more action oriented program where you get all the money back, and you are going to do certain assignments. But the amount of volume of video that is covered here is just insane. It's just phenomenal. Like for example, if I just open this particular SEO mastery course, you will be able to see that there is so much amount of information covered, and all the videos together, all the videos that has been ever been created together is more than 100 hours, more than 100 hours of content you have. So that's 100 plus hours of content, which means that you can refer to anything anytime. Like for example, if you go ahead and check Facebook ads mastery course, you will be able to see that the benefits of Facebook ads, advertising terms and conditions, Facebook pixel, custom conversions, how to set up a conversion optimized campaign, how to set up Facebook lead ads, how to set up a retargeting ad, how to automate reports. So all this is covered. And previously I had created a Facebook ads course in 2017, and now I have updated it for 2019, and then again I will update it for 2021. Whenever there is new updates. So right now the interface is still latest and updated. So would you like to get this particular 11 bundle course at a discount? Type yes in the chat box if you want further discount on this particular bundle. So all the courses together is more than 31,000 rupees worth, and I am already selling it for 5,999 to my audience, but here I am able to go ahead and give you a further discount. All right, so what I will do is that I will go ahead and create a coupon code for you just for the people in this webinar today. I will create a coupon code called May 18th, and I will send you the link on the chat box. So this is the discount I have for you today, and you will be able to go ahead and get this offer. So today's offer is that it's just going to be 3,999 for you, which is going to be all the courses that I have created, and lifetime access and lifetime updates. So let me go ahead and share the link with you on the chat box for this particular bundle. So I've shared the link with you on the chat box, and I will keep that live only until the end of this webinar, and then I will close it. So if you are going to get this bundle, type me in the chat box so that I know that you are going to subscribe. Just type me in the chat box if you are going to get the bundle. So Priya Bajaj, Ravikant Sharma, Dinesh. So I see so many people who is going to go ahead and grab this bundle offer today. So I will also create a bit.ly link. So you can also go ahead and get this course later. But if you get this course later, it will go back to the price of 5,999. Today you will be able to get it for 3,999, which is around 4,000 rupees, and GST is included in it. You don't need to pay GST separately. Bhaskar is asking, can I go ahead and transfer it to my daughter? Yes, you can purchase and transfer it to your daughter as well. So I'm just sharing I will go ahead and switch off the chat for a while so that you can see the link. So I'm just sharing the link in the chat box, and I will also go ahead and put a QR code generator so that you can scan it using your mobile, and you can go ahead and make the payment. So this is the QR code that you can use to scan it, and I have shared the link in the chat box. I will share it once more. You can go ahead and copy paste that link on the browser and go ahead and purchase this bundle. So this is only for a limited time, and by the end of this webinar, I will be removing the discount, and then it will go back to 5,999. So if you are done enrolling, you will get a welcome email from InstaMojo, and you will get a welcome email from me as well. All right. If you have done with the enrollment, just type enrolled in the chat box. I will take a few more minutes and then we will go ahead and get started with the Q&A session. All right. So if you have questions, so Fani Vijay has enrolled, Kirti Vasan has enrolled, Syed has enrolled. Fantastic. If you have any questions about this particular bundle, you can let me know. And for my inner circle, who are part of my paid students, I also keep doing webinars from once in a while. And these webinars are going to be completely free for you so that you can ask questions to me directly. So Sanskar Jaiswal has enrolled. Anand Patel has enrolled. Fantastic. So let me go ahead and share the link again for people who are wondering about the link. So I've shared the link with you. And in the meantime, let me go ahead and check people who have enrolled and call out your names to confirm your enrollment. So the entire marketing automation that I have set up will automatically take care of delivering the course to you. It will send you the username and password. And if you have any problem at all in terms of accessing the course, mail us at support@pixeltrack.com. Support@pixeltrack.com is where our support department will be able to help you with the entire process of if you have any trouble accessing the course. All right, I see Sanskar, Mahesh, Fani Vijay, Syed, Kirti Vasan, Anand, Ankita, Milind, Gaurav, Sham. So all of you guys have enrolled. Welcome to the program. So if there is anyone else yet to enroll, and if you're on it, just type on it in the chat box if you're on it, so that I can keep the discount code open. And now you can also go ahead and start asking me questions, and I will answer your questions on this particular session. So Srikanth is asking, will messenger marketing overcome email marketing in the future as the open rate is pretty high in messenger than email? Srikanth, I don't think messenger marketing will overcome email marketing because messenger marketing is again a marketing platform based on Facebook tool and Facebook platform. And the problem with having messenger marketing inside the Facebook platform is that it's not really efficient, and Facebook also has the control to go ahead and restrict access to the amount of reach that people have. So right now the reach is high. What if tomorrow the reach is going down? With email it is consistent, and when it is email, you are kind of having a consistency and reliability because people are going ahead and signing up on your platform. And when people are going ahead and signing up on your platform, uh, they are your users, right? They are just your users. And because they are users, you will not be able to have any problem with going ahead and reaching out to them. All right. So that's very important. So there is a lot of questions here. So I will go one by one. So what should a daily routine of SEO professional should be? Go ahead and keep publishing content every day. So that is very important. How personal branding works for digital marketing agency owners? So if clients have to give you projects, then they need to trust you, right? If they don't trust you, they won't give you projects. And you need to make sure that they trust you, for which you need to have a personal brand. So let's say you have a Facebook ads agency. If you have something like a Facebook ad agency, which means that you need to go ahead and tell the client that you are a Facebook ads expert. And when you kind of convince the client that you are a Facebook ads expert, you will be able to have a better trust in front of their eyes. So definitely personal branding is important for digital marketing agency owners. Gopa Dutta is asking how a beginner creates an email list. Basically, a beginner creates an email list by going ahead and creating a lead magnet first, and then going ahead and creating content that can be given as an ethical bribe and drive Facebook ads and Google ads to it. One person is asking, will I decrease the price of the 11 courses in the future? No, I will not be decreasing the price below 3,999. You are getting 11 courses for 3,999, so that's the lowest I can go. So in CATT, when do you get to know trust is built so that you can approach for a transaction? Based on the engagement. If there are people who are continuously engaged with you, then they are going to have more affinity towards you, right? So how to build a good content? Very generic question. Let's go ahead and have a look at who else is doing it. So what should a daily routine of SEO professional should be? I have already answered that. Is IDM the base of marketing automation or MarTech developments, which would be the future of marketing? I think IDM is definitely based on marketing automation, and you need to learn marketing automation for that. Guys, please don't ask the same question and again. I will not be able to answer it. So Ankita, welcome to the program. All right, I want to do a job in digital marketing field. What I have to do exactly? I would still recommend that you go and build a personal brand, because I was able to get a job in the digital marketing field because I already had a brand going for me. I will go ahead and the idea is that if you have a blog, then it kind of adds to your resume, and because it adds to your resume, you have more authority in front of your audience, right? In front of your employers. So that's very important. My internship batch 4 will be starting a bit late. So Kirti Vasan, if you are having an issue, so most of the people who have enrolled today, you will be getting the access within the next 15 minutes automatically. But if you are having any issue, you can always mail us at support@pixeltrack.com, and we will be able to go ahead and help you with it. All right, so can we create an email list without a website? Yes, you will be able to create an email list without a website, not a problem. All right, so what I will do is that I will go ahead and remove the discount code for today. Is anyone else still trying to enroll? Type me in the chat box if you are still trying to enroll, or I will just go ahead and close the discount code there. All right, Anuj is on it. Anuj Pratap is on it. Shitija is on it. Fantastic. So if you have any more questions, guys, go ahead and publish it on the Learn Digital Marketing group, which I have. So Learn Digital Marketing group is the group where I go ahead and kind of, talk about all the different digital marketing topics. So go ahead and publish it there. I will go ahead and send you an email. I will send you an email with a link to the blog post, mind map, recording of this. And I will also send you a link to the high traffic blog project, the videos that I have talked about, drip marketing. I will send you a certificate, and I will also give you a link to the digital marketing tools mastery course. So a lot of people are asking about my internship program. My internship program batch 3 is already started, and we are not taking enrollments anymore. Probably we will let you know when we do batch 4. Fantastic. So, all right, guys, I will end the webinar now, 90 minutes, and link for the DMM course, please. So a lot of people are asking for the digital marketing bundle course. So I will still keep the offer open for a while, and I will share the link with you so that you can go ahead and enroll in the course. So I'm sharing the link with you, and you can save the link, copy paste the link. I will also share the bit.ly link once more. All right, I have shared the bit.ly link, and I will also send it on email. So bundle link, I will send it on email to you. So I hope you found the today's workshop useful. I hope it kind of gave you an idea about how integrated digital marketing works and how you can kind of set up a funnel and a business for you yourself. So thanks a lot. Have a great evening, and I will be conducting more workshops like this. And what other workshops do you want? So Prayas, here you will be hearing from me tonight for the internship dashboard. What other workshops do you want like this? Do you want Facebook workshop? Do you want SEO workshop? Let me know, and I will be able to conduct more workshops like this for you guys. All right, a lot of people are saying drip marketing, SEO, social media marketing, Facebook, SEO and affiliate, LinkedIn and SEO, remarketing, recording of the workshop. Fantastic. So SEO and affiliate seems to be a lot in demand. Facebook ads seems to be a lot in demand. So I will do another small workshops like this again. And thanks for finding this useful. Thanks for all your feedback. Go ahead and tweet about today's workshop if you liked it. And I will go ahead and see you in the next webinar that I do. And sometimes these webinars might be a free webinar also. And for people who want to generate a certificate for today's workshop, I will send you a link through which you will be able to generate the certificate. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home. Thank you guys, and all the best for creating your digital marketing funnel. And we can go ahead and take a group photo maybe. So go ahead and switch on your video and go ahead and show a thumbs up on the video. So I will go ahead and take a group photo of all of you guys. Whoever can switch on the video, switch it on. Some people are just showing their thumbs. That's also fine. All right, so let me go ahead and take a picture of this. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. And I will also check the other pages. Go ahead and show a thumbs up, guys. Go ahead and show a thumbs up. I see some people really showing a clear thumbs up. So let's see who else is there on the video. Fantastic, fantastic. Thanks a lot. I will post it on the Facebook group. Go ahead and definitely join the Learn Digital Marketing group on Facebook. And bye, guys. Bye. And I will see you in the next workshop. Thank you.